They are the membrane boxes. Very cool. There are lots of sizes of these boxes from 7 centimeters, 9 centimeters to 18 and centimeters, but the boxes can't stand itself very good because the sides are not flat. They are not flat, so box don't stand very well, so they need stands. This is the standard stand they make. You can put box like this. I like this, but I don't like these stands because they are wide, not very cool looking. They work, but they are not very good. So I designed my own. Flat stands. This size is designed for 7 centimeters boxes, the smallest one, and this is the 100 degrees version. That I think it's the best because it make a better look for the specimen inside. Also, the side here is 12 millimeter, so it designed to put a label here. You can, if I use labels inside the boxes, but if you want a transparent look inside, you can put label here. There is also a longer 9 centimeter version, but this smaller one also work for the largest 18 centimeters box. And this 100 degrees is not best stable, but it work. The specimen, the box is very stable. It can stand itself. One stand print about 50 minutes, so it's not very short time, but you know, for several boxes it's okay.